No power to your boiler is a massive headache in winter. I'm from Boilers2Go and I'll help you fix it fast. First, check for a general power cut. If your neighbours have lights, the issue is likely inside your home. Check your consumer unit for flipped switches. A simple trip is the most common cause of power failure. If a breaker has tripped, reset it. If it flips back immediately, you will need a professional engineer. Next, check the fused spur switch next to your boiler. The fuse inside might have blown to protect the unit. Is your timer working? A simple glitch or a flat battery can stop the boiler firing up. If your thermostat is wireless, try new batteries. Also, ensure it's set to a temperature that actually calls for heat. Still no luck? You might have an internal wiring fault that isn't visible from the outside. At this point, call a qualified gas-safe registered engineer. Never attempt internal boiler repairs yourself. For more expert advice, subscribe to Boilers2Go. We're here to keep your home warm and safe all year round.